Beautiful. So beautiful. It's easy to cook on TV. There's talented producers, there's fucking editors, and there's all sorts of things that make you look good. You know, before any TV came anywhere near my career, I'd mastered my craft. You'll see a side to me across this class that I don't think has ever been shown before. Knife skills. The basics are so important. 3 fingers down, and this beautiful knuckle is the guiding light across that knife. Cooking salmon, so the secret is to score the skin. That stops the fish from buckling up. You can't pick up the world's best cookbook and understand that you need to do it. Delicious. Everything I've learnt, understood, stolen, perfected, is laid bare across this masterclass. For the first time ever, you're going to learn how to cook those ingredients from start to finish. I've just spent the last 30 years busting my ass off to get on the plate what I'm about to show you, and watch, but watch carefully. I'm Ramsay, and this is my masterclass.